We have already had around 6 meetings in Delhi. I personally, with former Chief Minister S.D. Kumaraswamy ji, I was present. We have met Home Minister ji, Amit Shah ji on couple of occasions, many occasions, Nadda ji on many occasions. We have clearly stated we have clarity because this is nation election. This is a national election. So we are not being greedy. We are a regional party, and we need to gain respect among our party workers also. So we are asking not more than 3 seats, to be honest, and the 2 seats have already been cleared.
So what's the issue with the Kolar, sir? Is the
Because there's a lot of back and forth with Chikbalapur and Kolar. Apparently, that the JDS wants Kolar, but there's a BJP talk going on.
No, no, no. Kolar, to be very honest, the BJP national leaders had offered us Chikbalapur. But regarding Kolar, we have around 3 MLAs and 3 constituencies. We have gotten second place. So commonly, all the party cadre are expecting to take Kolar because we have high chance of winning the Kolar seat, and we have gained around 5 lakh votes. So
is
this
that
is
true?
the
Is that true? In yesterday's meeting, many of the top leaders and workers have expressed displeasure with BJP, and they are quite unhappy that BJP is not taking JDS into confidence, whether it is candidates or any kind of public rally. Respect, sir. When even in Shimoga, you were not.
see. Yesterday we had a core committee meeting. In the core committee meeting, all the leaders and all the mainline, frontline leaders and all the MLAs were also present. So they had their own saying regarding the party's future. But we want this alliance to be very healthy. We don't want a repeat of 2019, which happened with Congress, because this is more of a natural alliance when it comes to the ground. Because the Karyakartas in the ground level, BJP and JDS, so they are having a very, very healthy relationship, and we are also trying to build a very cordial relationship to run the show, to run the election and get fetch the best seats for the NDA in Karnataka this time around. So we will make sure that things will go on very
So who will
smoothly.
be the Mandya candidate, sir?
Will we see Kumaraswamy getting
Are you
nominated?
coming back, sir? Are you coming back as Mandya?
Well, to be honest, we have not decided on anything as such because recently we had a workers' meeting in the district. The 2019 Lok Sabha defeat of myself being the candidate at that present time. So all the Karyakartas have taken it to the heart. So they expressed their feelings. So, but
What is your decision, sir? Will you be contesting?
no,
Apparently, because
no,
he
no.
also told in the press conference.
The issue here is, as we all know, my father is getting admitted to the hospital. He just left to Chennai now. So I don't think so. His health would permit him to run around the state as he used to, at least for the next 1 month. He might attend a few public meetings once things starting getting better regarding his health. But now it all lands up that there is a lot of responsibility on my shoulders as being a JDS Karyakarta taking 3 seats. I must make sure that we should get the best result out of these 3 seats. So this is my own very personal goal. So regarding the Mandya election, we'll give you a good news very soon. Thank you.
Sir, your opponent Somalata is in Delhi today. She's still insisting that to contest on BJP ticket from Mandya. How much of a hurdle is that for? Is that straining your relationship
Sir, that
with
is,
BJP?
I have a lot of great regards and respect on Sumalata ji. This is not my concern. This only BJP national leaders only should be answerable, and they should only handle and settle down the issue.
No,
If at all, if
their
any issues are
inability to
there.
convince her is straining your relationship with BJP.
No, sir. We are nowhere concerned to that. The main concern is the BJP national level leaders. I am sure they will sort it out if anything is there.